What it is at the mention of the name of Jesus. When every knee is set to bow, to go and turn around the mountain, I will pass that the mainland to go and turn to the Father. It is at the mention of the name of Jesus. When every knee, not some knees, but every knee are set to bow, and every tongue will confess that you, Jesus, you, Jesus alone, you are the Lord. You are the King of Kings. You are the soon-coming King. We worship you and you alone. The great I am, the one who is and was and is to come. Our King of Kings, the Ancient of Days, the Rock of Ages, the Lily of the Valley. We worship you, our bright morning star. It is without hope. You are the stone that was rejected by the people, that became the chief cornerstone. We worship you alone. Ukani wabugorisa. Chiko wetu onamana onke. Kulugulu wetu otandelayo. Siyamu una na siyamu kweli. Siweza kulu.